Hello friends, I am Sanjay Kumar Mahapatra. In this video, we are going to learn how to find out electricity bill by the using of the power consumption formulas. So this is a power billing, and this is the formula of energy consumed equals to watt into hour divided by 1000 into 1, that is per day. If you are taking per month, that is energy consumed equals to energy consumed for month equals to watt into hour divided by 1000 into 30. So first we have to see that what is the represent of the watt and hour. So watt is used for rating of electrical appliances, and we already know that what is the unit of the power. So next one is the hour. So this is the time of appliances. Hour equals to time of appliances used in hours per day. So this is the question, that first question I will take off, as I have already told you about formulas of power consumption, that is watt into hour divided by 1000 into 1 if you will taking as a per day. If you will taking per month, according to average of the month, then energy consumed per month equals to watt into hour divided by 1000 into 30, whatever. So what is the already known that power of unit of the power, and hour is the time of appliances used in hours per day, consumption of the power. So this is the question. In a residential building having following connected loads: 3 fans each of 80 watt running 6 hours per day, 4 FL tubes each of 60 watt running 5 hours per day. Number 3, 1 electric heater 1500 watt running 2 hours per day, 1 water pump rating 1 HP running 2 hours per day, 5 electric bulbs each of 100 watt running 4 hours per day. So calculate total electric bill in month of January 2020 if energy cost is 2.75 per kilowatt hour. So solution is as per the problem of the simplicity, you have to calculate by the using of the some formulas or some ideas, that is a table system. First we put up the serial number, next name of loads, next number of loads, next power consumed in watt, next working hour, and next total energy consumed per day. So this is the serial number 1, that 3 fans each of 80 watt running 6 hours per day. Serial number 1, name of the load, that is the fan, number of loads 3 fans, power consumed in watt 80 watt, working hour 6 hours. So as per the formula I told in before, that is watt into hour divided by 1000. Watt into hour, here watt is 80 into 3 numbers into hour. Hour is representative of 6 divided by 1000 equals to, next number 2 is 4 FL tubes each of 60 watts running 5 hours per day. So here name of the load is FL tubes, 4 FL tubes, wattage 60 watt, hour 5 hours, so 5, and according to the same formula 60 into 4, that is the hour is the 5 divided by 1000 equals to, and number 3 is 1 electric heater. So here is the name of the load is the electric heater. Electric heater. So number of load 1, wattage electric heater 1500, hours consumed per day 2 hours. So 1500 into 1 hour 2 divided by 1000 equals to 1 water pump rating 1 HP running 2 hours per day. So here load is the water pump, and number of loads 1, and rating 1 HP. So 1 HP equals to 746 watt in British system. So working hour 1, water pump rating 1 HP running 2 hours per day, working hours 2 equals to 746 into 1 in divided by 2 into 1000 equals to, so 80 into 3 by 6 divided by 1000. I have already 1.44. So that I already calculated 1.44 kWh kilowatt hour, 1.2 kilowatt hour, and next is 3 kilowatt hour, 1.492 kilowatt hour, sorry, one is the rest is the 5 electric bulbs each of 100 watt running 4 hours per day. Here is the name of the load, electric bulbs, so number of loads 5 number of loads, power consumed in watt, that is 100 watt, working hours 4 hours per day. So watt into hour divided by 1000, wattage, here wattage is given 100 into hour, sorry, number of loads into 5 into hour 4 divided by 1000 equals to 2 kilowatt hour. So finally we got that some abbreviation for a day. So energy consumed per day equals to 1.44 plus 1.2 plus 3 plus 1.492 plus 2 equals to 9.132. After calculated, you have got the final value 9.132. This is the consumed of per day. So total energy, so total energy consumed per month equals to 9.132 into, that is already given in question. Calculate total electric bill in month of January 2020. So January 2020 is the 31 days. So we have to put in that value, that is equals to 31. So 31 is the month of January value, January date. So 9.132 into 31 is obtained your calculation 283.092 kilowatt hour. So bill in the month of, so bill in the month of January 2020, if energy cost is that previous 2.75. Energy cost is 2.75. So here is the per month kilowatt hour, that is the total energy consumption per month, that is the 283.092 unit. So 283.092 into per unit का 2.75. So final calculation is 77.8.503 equivalent to Rs 779. So our final answer is 779. So electrical consumption in month of January 2020 is our 779. Thank you.